Need a quick refresh this spring? These 5-minute cleaning tasks will have your home feeling cleaner instantly and ready for spring. Oh, and be sure you stick around to the end because I saved the most impactful thing for last. First up, let's wipe down some counters and appliances. A quick wipe of your counters, stove, and other flat areas in your home will make your home feel instantly cleaner. Grab a microfiber cloth and quickly dust off all the flat surfaces in your home, beginning with your kitchen, as it is one of those most used spaces, and you will see what a drastic difference this will instantly make your living room look more neater and inviting by straightening up those pillows. If you feel comfortable, also add in some throw blankets for that added pop of coziness. It will also help your living room feel more inviting as well. A fresh trash bag makes a huge difference. So if you want your space to feel instantly cleaner, quicker than it takes to take a sip of tea, then consider changing your trash bags and emptying the trash on a regular basis. This one thing alone can give a facelift to any room, making it appear much neater instantly. If you feel comfortable with it, you can also consider adding a dryer sheet in the bottom for some fresh spring smells. And if you want a more natural alternative, consider taking a wool ball with some essential oils and placing it in the bottom of your trash bin. Be sure to be wiping down bathroom mirrors or sinks daily for a fresh and clean feel to your home. This only takes a couple of minutes, nay, seconds a day, and it will make a drastic difference. A quick wipe can remove toothpaste splatters and water spots, causing your bathroom to feel cleaner and more inviting. If you have a little bit more time, consider swishing and swiping your tub and toilet every day to make that bathroom really shine. And it really doesn't take more than 2 minutes once you begin this habit. Sweeping high traffic areas can make a major difference in your home, causing it to feel cleaner. Focusing on sweeping and mopping high traffic areas can make a huge difference inside your home. Focus on those major areas that people tend to see all of the time for a fresh feel always in your home. Not to mention, the least used areas will most likely not get as dirty as these ones. Bonus tip, if you use a no shoe policy in your home, this also helps. When you sweep and mop these high traffic areas, you get an instant refresh without the need for long deep cleaning sessions. And whenever you do get around to the deep cleaning, then the higher traffic areas will be neat and maintained, thus making your deep cleaning feel easier as well. If you get nothing else from this video, then be sure to make your bed. Making our bed first thing in the morning not only helps us to feel achieved and have a more productive day, but it also causes the room to look 1,000 times cleaner and more put together. The bed takes up a lot of space in our rooms, and such big surface area when all the sheets are left anyhow can make a negative appearance in our bedrooms. But if we just take a couple of minutes every single day to make our beds, what a huge difference it will make. And when we go to our rooms at night, we will feel so good knowing that we have done that. And if you want even more simple homemaking videos, then check out this video here, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.